So we're working on a 2011 and newer Ford Explorer where the key fob will not start the engine. Well, there's a trick, and I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of getting your car started so you can get home. So your key battery on your key fob has gone dead, and then you go to start your car, you can't get in the door, it won't unlock or unlock the doors because the battery's dead. And also when you go to start the vehicle, you push the start stop button and you get this message here, no key detected. All right, so in emergency, it's designed, there's a backup system so you can start this vehicle. What you need to do is go in your center console here, empty it out like in this case. So in your center console, towards the front of the center console here, you'll see this little pocket. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put your key inside that little slot. So it looks like this. Now you can come to the vehicle, put your foot on the accelerator, on the brake, and start your car like normal. So that's like a backup transmitter that's built into the key that the car can detect right there inside the center console. This is also in your owner. This information is also in your owner's manual. I'm Brian Essa from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Encourage you to subscribe.